Sorry it took me so long to get to this, but let's talk about 42Lolita. And obviously I am going to be biased because they do send me free stuff every now and then. But I am an actual customer of 42Lolita. Before they started sponsoring me and partnering with me, I was a loyal customer of them, and I've bought in from them with my own money multiple times. 42Lolita is part of 42 Agent, the shopping service. 42Lolita is their reseller site, and I was honestly really ecstatic because I find shopping services really hard to use. I like resellers more, so this was kind of perfect. Like, they already know what they're doing. I personally really love 42Lolita. Like you say, their prices, they seem cheap because they're not as high marked up as like devil inspired and like other resellers. Like, their markup is actually really reasonable from what it would be on Taobao in comparison. So that's why they're more cheap. They're like not as skyrocketed markup as devil inspired. That's the official name of it, by the way. Sorry, that's just my personal opinion. But honestly, I really like 42Lolita. I absolutely love their customer service. Like, the person I correspond to in emails is such a sweetheart. I absolutely adore her. And also, I think it's really cool that you can like send them a picture with their buy to me and then they'll find it on Taobao for you. But yeah, I wear like stuff from 42Lolita every day, like literally every day. I've bought in from them on my own with my own money tons of times. They've sponsored me, I think, twice now. And I'm pretty sure I have a review for every single item on YouTube or on here that I own from 42Lolita, if you want to like see any of those. But I personally really like them. I've had nothing but good experiences with them, but obviously I am super biased. Straight up, I love them. I'm biased. Definitely go check out other Lolitas and what they think and their opinion on 42Lolita, because I'm not going to be the person to ask. Like, I straight up am super biased and positive towards them, but they are legitimate. They're fully legitimate. They're part of 42 Agent, and you don't have to worry. It is not a scam site. They're fully legitimate. But yeah, I love them. They're my ride or die. That's it.